10-year-old top load washer, which again, we'll call that small chassis units, whether that's a small chassis front load or a small chassis top load, 10 years. If it's just a water valve or a belt or something easy, yes. If you're doing any kind of major components on it that have worn out, no, get rid of it. It's at the end of life. That if you got 10 years out of it, you've done well, time to get rid of it. If you're talking about a true commercial, stainless steel basket, big machine, if it's not a full bearing job and motor, inverter, really expensive component, kind of going back to that 15, 20, 25% the cost of a new machine, I would repair it. I wouldn't replace it. But if it's starting to get into that 50, 60, 70, 80% of the cost of a new machine on a 10-year-old, I'd maybe take the components out of it that you could use on some other machines, take the boards, a few things, and get rid of it and put a new machine in.